Alright, so these are the parts that will be going into my computer. To start off, we have an Intel i7-6700K. Got the MSI Z178 Gaming M5 motherboard. 16 gigs of Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM. I believe it's 2666. So yeah. We have an H100 IV2 CPU cooler. Got some of their high-performance SP120 fans, because they have the red rings and you can match the color scheme that way, and that'll look pretty cool. And probably the biggest change, the MSI GeForce GTX 1070 Gaming X. This has been in the works for a very long time, and I am very excited. Let's build. So naturally, the first thing we'll be doing is the core components, like motherboard, CPU, all that stuff. Oh yeah. Cool stuff. Nice.
Nice.
Wow, this motherboard is awesome. Alright, well, if this doesn't turn on, we'll know why.
Oh. I accidentally screwed it up. There you go.
You have to put so much pressure and it's so nerve-wracking. Most of these parts have been sitting on my desk for like 2 months. That's in the right way, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I think that's it for like the core components. Now we get to gut my old computer. So like, we have another cousin who's actually looking to build a computer, so Kenzel and I have a bunch of old parts, so we might cobble together a build for him. I felt like such a hacksaw doing that command prompt stuff. I'm actually moving the fan on the top down to the bottom, because putting in that CPU cooler. Oh yeah, that's still plugged in.
Cable management, eh?
Yeah, I'm not very proud of this.
It's a good thing you have like an inch of cable.
At least an inch. Alright, so that one was my mistake. It's hard, but whatever, just shake it, it'll fall out eventually. Oh, that's the screw. Oh, I just dropped another one. one door opens, another one closes. Bottlenecks, and why not go overkill?
Balls to the wall.
Yeah. Well, I think my balls to the wall. And the horrible things I'm doing too. What? Something's still plugged in? No? Alright. Time to throw this out the window? No, just kidding.
Just toss it.
Literally toss it. Yeah, boy. Position. Kendall, that wasn't. Notice how the PCI slots are made of metal? That's another thing for another day. And this time I will indeed put the IO shield in. Alright. Looks good enough to me. I mean, for me.
Don't be like Burkle, or whoever did that.
Yeah, that was Burkle. Yeah, just gonna give it a good whack. Wow, there's some serious torque. Okay, maybe that should do it. Okay, connect the pump power cable to the CPU fan header on your motherboard. You can see like the red and black color scheme really coming together. Oh yeah. Just play out slowly. Music before gaming, so if you don't plan on gaming, you can just leave this on. Fangirls. Wow, this thing's a beast. Huge. It's awesome.
When you have basically one cable for overclocking only.
Yeah, cause like the baseline GTX 1070 only has one cable. Alright, what is up YouTube? It's me, Harris, back again from a longer than I would have liked absence. I don't really have any excuses, I've just kind of been lazy. But today for my epic return, we are going to be upgrading my computer.